question is from class 10th NCERT book, exercise 1.2, question number 2 and second part it is. Question is find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that the product of LCM and HCF equals to the product of two given numbers. As you know, this formula is applicable for only for two numbers. For more than two numbers, it won't be applicable. So let's verify. First, let's find out HCF and LCM. HCF, how to find out? For both, we have to prime factorize these two numbers. And for highest common factor, that is for HCF, we select common factors with lowest exponent. So let us prime factorize first. 510 prime factors are 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. And for 92, the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 23. So here you can see the common factors. We have only one set of common factors, that is 2. So HCF, or we can say GCD, is 2. Product of common factors, that gives HCF. Now LCM is, we need to select all the factors from every step. So first let us take from the first step, that is 2 into 5. But here there is one thing. In the first step it's written 2, in the second step it is 2 square. So for LCM, we select all varieties of factors but with highest exponent from every step. Like here 2 has power 1, but here 2 has power 2. So these two will be selected. So here we can write 2 into 2. And then next you have 5 only at one place. So 5. Then 3 is also, there is only at one step you have 3. Then 17. Then 23. This is HCF and LCM. The product of HCF and LCM, let us calculate now. That will be, let us multiply these. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 5s are 40. 40 into 3, 120. 120 is to be multiplied by now 17, then multiply by 23. So when you multiply by 17, 840 by 7, then 0 to 1, 2040. Now this is to be multiplied by 23. By 2. We got the product of HCF and LCM is 46920, 46,920. And we have to verify that this product is equal to the product of the numbers. Now let us find the product of numbers. So number 1 multiplied by number 2 is 510 multiplied by 92. And that becomes we got the same product. So we have verified, hence verified that product of HCF and LCM equals to the product of two given numbers. That's all. Now let's take the third part. Third part is the numbers given are 336 and 54. So let's do by the same method. First we prime factorize 336 and we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 into 7. And here we get 54. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 27 into 2, 54. So these can be written when we have many factors like this, same factors. So this can be written as in exponential form. 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7. That will be convenient for us. This will be 2 into 3 cube. So now let's calculate HCF. HCF, let's highlight the common factor. Here common factor is 2 as well as 3. Both are common to both the steps. But which one is to be written? Whether 2 or 2 raised to the power 4. You can remember highest common factor. That means select the least exponent. Here it is highest, select least. This way you can remember. So this will be 2. Highest common factor we are calculating. So select the least exponent of common factor. So this will be 3. And that's all. These are the only common factors are to be selected. So we get HCF, the product of these two is 6. So 6 is the HCF of these two numbers. Now for LCM, lowest common multiple. So we select the highest exponent of every prime factor. Like 2, let us start from 2. Highest exponent is 2 raised to the power 4. Not this. So this we have selected. In 3, between these two, 3 cube will be selected. Then what is left? 7. Here we need to write all the factors, not only common. In HCF we take only common factors. So now we multiply these. We get 16 into 27 into 7. So let us multiply here 16 into 27. Then this we got 432, then multiplied by 7. 7 2s are 14. We got 3024. So this is your LCM. This is HCF and this is LCM. So product of these two will be 3024 multiplied by 6. We got 6 4s are 24. 2 carried. 12 plus 2, 14. 6 3s are 18. This is the product of HCF and LCM. And product of the numbers will be, let's check now, 336 multiplied by 54. So that we get, we multiplied by 4 first. 4 6 are 24. 1344. Then multiply by 5. 5 6 are 30. 3 5 3s are 15 and 3 18. 5 3s are 15 and 1 16. So we got 18144. So these two products are same. 18,144. Hence verified that product of HCF and LCM is the same as the product of the numbers. That's all.